Worried about the security of your investment accounts? If you're not using two-step verification, you're missing a critical layer of protection. Today, we're enabling two-step verification on your Schwab account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Two-step verification requires a second form of verification, like a code from your phone, in addition to your password, making it much harder for hackers to access your account. Step 1. Access security settings. Log into schwab.com and go to Service, then Security Settings. Find Two-Step Verification and click Set Up Now. Step 2. Choose your verification method. You can choose to receive a code via text message, through the Symantec VIP Access app, or via a voice call to your registered phone number. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Use the Symantec VIP Access app for the strongest security. While SMS is convenient, the dedicated VIP Access app is more secure because it isn't vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. It generates codes offline and is Schwab's recommended method for maximum account protection. So, just like that, you've significantly boosted the security of your investment accounts. Enabling two-step verification goes a long way in protecting your financial future from digital threats. Now I'm curious, what's your preferred 2FA method? Text message, authenticator app, or something else? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.